Well, with news just 24 hours ago that we're going to get snow down to 600 metres, there was nothing left to do than to head out here to the high country. And haven't we just been spoilt with the weather? Not only that, but we were able to bring out our brand new Super Duty with our Apex bar that we've just released. So the Apex bar, as you would expect, is a 60.3mm tube. It's our strong, full width bar, triple hoop. We've got fog lights and cube lights included, a 4mm bash plate underneath, 2 times 5 tonne rated recovery points, and a 12,000 pound winch cradle already installed. And of course the IRONMAN winch cradles are in fact bolted directly to the chassis. On top of this, we've got 2 of our 9-inch Neo scope driving lights. If we look up to the top of the roof there, we have our roof rack, our RAID roof rack, also sporting our 42-inch scope Neo light bar. A bit of a preview there. That one yet to be released, but what a fantastic looking piece of kit that is. So here we are, our foray into the Super Duty. We know how popular a vehicle this has become, and having driven it today, why wouldn't it be? What a fantastic vehicle to get out here and enjoy fall driving.